I just go in whenever I feel like it.
Let the games
go.
Let the games Let the games begin.
Yo, do the knowledge to the master builder, blowing the spliff. The new millennium, Hiram a Biff. Gotta watch what I say to you niggas, so I code my station. Cause this shit ain't really past the statute of limitations. The streets still hollering about how strong I am. Niggas I hurt still holler about how wrong I am. As a little nigga broke, baking soda and coke had me amazed how my steady hand kept it afloat. Let it sit, cool it hard and hit the set. Cool it heartless in front of the store projects. Long as I made a profit, I see you eyeing me. Your fire escape diary filled with pages of episodes of shy and me. Non-believer, my hammer for hire. Hit your ass so close that your coat will catch fire. Dog, the stakes are dire. I'm no liar. Hold a court in the street beat, cause I got prize.
Same team, no game. Keep chicks that blow brains. Rather rock Soul Train. The corners rockin' cocaine, got no shame. Trying to build these figures. Headquarters left, he ain't gone, he's still with us. Not in the physical, through us he live. I can see him with Big L Pun, pockin' big. Watching over the kid like yeah, shake the waist over. Inhale that ether, blow out and take over. I'm the truth, give you proof at your video shoot. Pull them cannons on you while them cameras on you. How you love that? Don't wanna bump with stacks, so get head dumb up. Make me call crumb up.
It's the militia. Everybody spitting it, the rhyme is hot. Cause it's big show, big show. It's funny.
It's tight. Oh, I just shaved, right? Yeah. Close. My cologne is smelling good. So what's up, mama? Hey, you wanna drink or what? Smelling good. You wanna come and party with me? My name is Slang. Come on. Yeah. You know you love my style, don't you really? Your haters act like you really got a chrome to kill me. But your gangster suspect, your poems are silly. I'm from Boston and New York and rolling to Philly. In a party like a bitch till I'm broke in the morning. With my own CDs, coke's broken up on. Went to bed at noontime and I woke up at dawn. So my lifestyle's what people are focusing on. Cause I party like a rock star, spit it like a rap star. Grab a and Uncle Louie, get inside a black car quick. These bitches are on my dick. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, which one will I pick? Got so many sick flows, which one will I spit? I had to get go so bad that I go with the get. I'm no backpacker, I'm a soldier with clicks. And I told you motherfuckers that my shoulders are chick. So all the people in the party in the place to be. With your eyes wide shut, I'ma make you see. There's a very good reason why you're hating me. Yeah, I love this when you're hating me. So all the people in the party in the place to be. With your eyes wide shut, I'ma make you see. There's a very good reason why you're hating me. You know I love this when you're hating me. So you can love it or hate it or love it. I was stuck under the dirt, but I made it above it. My stomach was hungry as so I raided the cupboard. With the devil in my eyes, go ahead and pray to the mother, the Virgin Mary. I'm emerging scary, and every curse word I ever blurt you're hearing. Anything with the skirt and earrings. Before I zip my zip up and hurt your feelings. Everybody say that I'm just a liar, but their hands getting burnt when they touch the fire. I'm the dope man, words just a fire. Till I'm getting stuck in a muck and mire. Your soul gets sold till the bucks can buy ya. But you can always find another slut to lie to. Cause when you got it like this, they just unwind ya. And A&I's never got the nuts to sign ya. So all the people in the party in the place to be. With your eyes wide shut, I'ma make you see. There's a very good reason why you hating me. Yeah, I love this when you're hating me. So all the people in the party in the place to be. With your eyes wide shut, I'ma make you see. There's a very good reason why you're hating me. You know I love this when you're hating me. So they hate me maybe because my tapes are crazy. I grew up around adults, so the H don't faze me. With the rubber, I don't make no babies. I don't accept hippies, I don't take no rabies. Wick checks, switch if next for 6X. Drink 6 packs of Bex until my ribs wet. I never talk that I ain't lived yet, son. Or say that I done what I ain't did yet. Was or you wasn't, but you bugging when you guzzle gin. It doesn't matter what kind of drugs that you're smuggling. If you been there, you know the game. And the porn stars all done blow with slain. I am like the rap star, this is what I grew to be. Just wanna f me, rappers wanna shoot at me. Oh, yeah, we might be be famous for this one. You hear the clap, clap. You hear the clap, 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 clap. La Coka Nostra. You might have heard of us before. If you ain't, you gonna hear it now. La Coka Nostra, LCN. I'm in front of the mirror staring at myself again. I'm too far gone now, ain't no helping him. Are you a gambler? I bet you that the Celtics win. Put a rhyme on a page with a felt tip pen. Let my rage out the cage, punch you in the eye, welt your skin. It's obvious I got it now. Psychotic with the narcotic. Rest in peace, I'ma lay your body down.
We don't play those games. Y'all know we got the smart bombs, fucker. We don't need to aim. Surface to air missiles, 50 caliber pistols. Mark 29s equipped with portable mounts. 2 9s and 38. And a snub 45 -2. It's 99 ways that you could die. It's true, La Coka, official gorilla shit. Fold you up quick, just like Manila get. Big left, get the spot hot like drop dime.